So here is your hint. For this one, we're trying to calculate the whole. Before we were calculating the percent and then the part, and now we're trying to figure out what the whole is. So the first strategy we can use is the double number line. So the bottom number line is going to be our percent, and the top is going to be whatever we're measuring. So we know the percent, and we know the part. So what we're going to do is you're going to place whatever the percent is, you're going to put that number on the double number line, and right above it, you're going to put the number for the part. Here, let me write part instead. You're looking for the whole. This we don't know. But we do know that whatever the whole is going to be 100%. So use what you know about proportions to figure out if this amount is this percent, how can you use that to help figure out what 100% is? So break up your double number line into however many pieces you need to so that you can keep going up until you get 100%. Next, you can also use a proportion. So we know that our proportion is part divided by whole is equal to the percent out of 100. So we are looking for this number. We're looking for the whole amount, and you are going to have a number for the part and for the percent. Now, in order to calculate the whole, to find it, we're going to do the same thing as when we use the proportion in other times. You're going to multiply the two numbers that are diagonal, so we have the part and 100%. So you're going to multiply those two. And then whatever number you have for your percent is what you're going to divide by. So part times 100 divided by the percent. Another way we can do this is our shortcut. So the shortcut for finding the whole is to take the part and divide it by the percent. Now remember, you're not just going to take the number for the percent, because percent means out of 100. So you're going to do whatever number your part is divided by the percent divided by 100. So don't use the whole value. If it's 75%, you're going to use 75 out of 100 or 0.75. So make sure that you're using that form, the decimal form, in here. So this is the same thing we did in the proportion, just a different order. Instead of multiplying the part by 100 and then dividing by the percent, we're doing the percent, the part divided by the percent over 100. So whichever strategy you like best, use that to solve our problem.